Hello, and welcome to the Broadpeak.io series. In this first video, we present you how to sign up for free on our platform. Connect to Broadpeak.io and click on the Get Started link. First, enter your email and click on Confirm. Then, enter your registration details and create and confirm a password. Agree to the terms of services and to the privacy and cookies policies, then click on Confirm again. You will receive an activation email. Don't forget to check your spam if you don't get it. Please verify your email address by clicking the Confirm My Account link received in the confirmation email. You'll be redirected to this welcome page. Enter your password again and click on Sign In. You're all done. You've just created your account. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, we'll see how to invite a colleague,